Being brunette has never been so current or eclectic. With recent advancements in hair color technology, no shade is unachievable. From the richest chocolate tones to the lightest hazelnut hues, the only hard part is choosing which shade is right for you. If it's brown hair color inspiration you are after, well, we've got it covered in this video gallery of brilliant celeb brunettes. Emma Stone stepped out with a new dark brown hue at the 30th Annual Producers Guild Awards. The actress has previously experimented with bleach blonde and copper hair colors before debuting her new chocolate dew. Scarlett Johansson debuted a brand new chocolate brown pixie crop at the Avengers: Infinity War premiere last night. The Black Widow actress gave her new look and added a dash of drama with bold purple and pink eye makeup and a chain-link choker. Olivia Palermo, in a move that once again proves Olivia Palermo is the queen of the ultimate choppy lob, the style icon has given her enviable summer ombre a dark brown winter overhaul. God, she's good. Billie Lourd, swapping her super long blonde tresses for mid-length uber glossy brown locks. We're all over Billie Lourd's autumnal hair transformation. Aymeline Valade, a chocolate shade with an undertone of red makes model Aymeline Valade's blue eyes pop. Winnie Harlow, a dash of balayage gives Winnie Harlow's curls a summery kiss of caramel. Selena Gomez, dark at the roots, light brown through the lengths. Selena Gomez's brunette bob is on point. Marion Cotillard, you can't go wrong with a classic cool-hued brunette. Michelle Monaghan, adding a little spice to the situation, Michelle Monaghan opts for a red-toned brown shade. Stacy Martin, to the untrained eye, Stacy Martin's hair looks like your regular straight-up brunette, but look closer and you'll see the subtly placed strips of lighter brown helping to frame the actress's face. Salma Hayek, queen of the overnight hair transformation, we loved Salma Hayek's black to light brown dip dye. Lily James, what to do when you're constantly switching between blonde and brunette like Lily James? Stay somewhere in the middle with dashes of blonde to add a sunlit feel. Alison Brie, brown hair doesn't have to be one-dimensional. Ask your hairstylist to add some hand-painted lighter brown tones through the lengths for A-list-worthy brunette hair. Lily Collins, the cool girl way to rock brown hair. Lily Collins' dark roots, lighter lengths combo looks perfect with an undone beachy wave. Kendall Jenner, okay, this might technically count as black hair, but if you're bored of your regular old brown hair, go moody and uber dark la Kendall Jenner.